Hello everybody, thank you so much. Today we are going to talk about regarding to the embed quality in the process and deliverables. This is another part of the principle in this specific session. In this specific part, you can understand the concepts and embed quality into the process and deliverable because the most important here is to ensure outcomes and this specific allow to meet all the project objectives. And for that reason, the most important information that you are going to take in your mind when you provide the PMP exam is that specific thing that I put in here. All the information that the quality spans several dimensions to apply with the deliverables and the process, but the most important is follow with these keywords: performance, conformity, reliability, resilience, satisfaction, uniformity, efficiency, sustainability, and compliance. All of these specific issues, all of these specific topics is very important because with this input you can understand that the how is the project impact, how it to put in service this specific principle in action, and how to connect with the performance domain. Because in here you can understand the quality is the link to the product acceptance criteria according to the project charter, statement work, or any kind of project document that you need to comply during the project life cycle. For that reason, my friends, when you are talking the next part of this specific session, the project plan, you put here some specific example in order, for example, when you need to use all regarding to the activities from the quality that is support to us in two specific ways. The first of all is in order to minimize the waste of the resource, and the other hand, in to improve the quality management process. And for that reason, the most important here is the positive outcomes that we need to obtain when all the project deliverables are fit to the purpose and met at the center criteria. So all regarding to the time delivery, all regarding to the reduced rework, all regarding to the effective supply chain integration, high satisfaction, reduce negative impact environment, and the most return the to take a better decision during the project. That's the specific part provide to highlights in order to understand how the quality in this specific quality in this specific principle provide a better result from all a part of the project. And for that reason, we find here in the next part in the principal notion one specific example in order to always remember why the quality is connected with all regarding to the project management domains. The quality is, for example, when you try to implement any kind of improvement from one specific, in this case, talking about one regarding to the company who main core is the wholesale shipping services, and how to improve the quality is not only to comply the government's specification, is increase the level of satisfaction that the stakeholder needed, because the stakeholder is the input in order to have better results during the project and after that during the product. And for that reason, when you have a quality driven approach, you need to investigate the expectation and to increase the results. And finally, you can see how it's connected of this specific principle with all project management performance demands. And exactly this is another principle that is connected with all the performance domains, because in the governance improves the transparency and accountability. In the scope, you ensure the project deliverables meet the requirements. In the schedule, you ensure in the scheduling a review and completeness and coordinates. In the finance, you can control costs in order to prevent their work. And finally, in the stakeholders, you can control the stakeholder expectations are met. Finally, in the resource and the risks, the most important is the potential quality issues can be anticipated with the result effects. With this specific explanation, my friends, I hope you can understand a little bit more this specific part of the PMBOK. This is the third value that we are review until today, and the same instruction is for all of that. Project impact, principal action, and how to connect it with personal. With this, my friend, I appreciate a lot. You can understand my explanation, and if you need something else, please follow me in my social network and don't waste your time. Call me if you need something else. Bye bye.